Hello everyone, today I built an interactive moon mission analysis dashboard. My dashboard consists of 3 pages, including the home page. Let us first start with mission outcome page. In this page you can see percentage of mission outcomes, moon mission by country, and total missions. Percentage of mission outcomes I used pie chart, clustered column chart for mission outcomes, and moon mission by country I used area chart. I used a slicer to filter based on year. So let us start here from here. Here we go. You can see the spacecraft failure is 37.5. Moon mission count by country, USA with 8, unsuccessful. The success rate is 7. And that's it about this page. Let us jump into our next page. Moon mission by carrier rocket. Here you can see type of missions. Top 5 mission by rocket carrier. For this, for both, I used clustered column chart and a line chart to display mission by year. Here too the same, the total missions is 158. Let us filter this two based on year. Here you can see total missions 20, type of mission impactor 9, Orbra 6, top 5 missions by rocket carrier. Luna stands first with 9. And you can see the mission by year. 1958 it's 7, 1959 6, 1964, 1962 3. And that's all about this moon mission analysis dashboard. Thank you.